Hi, this is how you replace the filter on the Smartmi Air Purifier 3. First, start by turning the machine off and unplug it from the wall. Then push both handles on each side inwards and lift the whole top part off of the bottom part. In here then the circular filter just gets lifted straight up and out of the compartment. After this, it is basically just a reversal process by first removing the protective plastic from the new filter and then lowering it down into the bottom part of the machine. Then the top part just snaps back into place. After this, insert the power cord and power the machine on with the button on the back. Lastly, to reset the filter day counter, all that is needed is then to push and hold the mode change button on the front of the machine for about 10 seconds, after which the machine then gives off a short 3 beep sequence indicating a successful reset. And that is about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.